Good morning, friends. How are you today? I'm glad you feel well. I'm glad you're okay. This is Mrs. Rodriguez reporting live from the Davalos Rodriguez house in Torrance, California. Today, I have a report, and the report is that today is April 2nd, 2020. Let's write that out. Today, it's capital T O D A Y space space space, two fingers, I S space space space, two fingers. Today is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Capital T H U R S D A Y, comma, April, capital A, P, R, I, L, and today is the 2nd, April 1st, April 2nd, and I have a different animal. A butterfly. And let me write that, April 2nd, comma, 2020. 2, 0, 2, 0. And the short date is January, February, March, and April. April is the 4th month of the year. 4 dash, can you still see that? Yeah, you can. 2 dash 20. All right, so there's a lot that I'm thinking about in my brain, but I want to show you some of the things that I want you to do. Now, today is Thursday, and then Friday is going to be the last day of school before you go on spring break. Say spring break. Yeah. So you go to school with me here on the computer today and tomorrow, then you're gonna go on spring break. Now, a lot of the parents are a little worried that, oh, maybe you don't have a lot to do during spring break, but not to worry. I'm going to have some lesson plans in the weekly lessons that I do, but these are all going to be all only fun activities. Like there's one where I know that we're not going to go on trips to Hawaii, to London, to France, to camping, to anywhere. We're not going to get to go anywhere. We have to stay indoors. We have to stay at home. So there's these really cool virtual field trips that I want you to go to. And every day, I still have to figure out how I'm going to do this because I haven't figured it out and I haven't gone on any of these virtual field trips. But I'll have them ready for you next week when you're on spring break. Will I do videos next week for you to watch me? No, I will not, because I will be on spring break too. What will I be doing during spring break? I will probably be cleaning, which is really boring. So let's pretend that I'm going to be hanging out in the sun and I'm just going to be relaxing with my shades on, and we'll just hang out outside by my pool, but I don't have a pool. And I really will be just cleaning. But let's pretend that I'm going to be outside having lots of relaxing time. Anyhow, I want you to have fun. So I'm going to send you on these virtual field trips, which is going to be something that you're going to like. All right, so for today, I want you to go to Connect Ed. So let me see if I can show you my screen. Can you see that? You're gonna go to that one. Then you're going to put in someone's name, and some of the parents are really concerned because they have not figured out how to get in. This is how you get in. It's the same as your Lexia account. We're gonna pretend that we're Jaden, but we're not gonna show everything that Jaden has, all his secret passcode. And it needs right here, so it's Jaden, and his last name is Argueta, so it has an A, and then a 96, that's his number, and then you have to do the @ sign, right? And here you can't see what I'm going to punch in because that's the part that's a secret and I can't show you that to you. All right, so then it goes in, right? Do you see that? Then if it's the first time you're going to launch, and then I want you to do only 3 things. Go to the to-do, go to read, or go to games. I'm gonna go to read for right now. Let me see, let me make sure that you can hear what I hear. Okay.
Read.
Now you can choose all of these, and our book of the week, the big book, is the same as this one, Jake and Dale. So if you go in there, that's the one that we've done. But it's like you having the big book, but you can go back, look. You see? You see? Perfect. All right, so then I go back. See, I went from this corner, let me see. Then I can do other books, like that one, Peter's Chair. And I want you to try to read that book. That's a really good one. I love that book. Okay, so I want you to do that. I want you to go in there. Just get used to going into those, okay? All right, and then the next thing I want you to work on is catching up. For example, if you didn't have time to finish writing all of your sentences for these words, if you have not gotten a chance to finish cutting and writing the sentences for those words, then today's the day that you can catch up, all right? And then I want you to think about the ache word family, and I want you to write 2 rhyming sentences. So it could be something like, I have a fake cake. I have a fake cake. And there's 2 words that rhyme, fake and cake. You see, you can come up, you'll look for your ache words, and then you can come up with 2 sentences that rhyme with in the ache word family. So you can just look at my other videos or look at the other videos on the ache word family, and maybe you want to write a sentence about cupcake, wake, make, snake, but I want you to write at least 2 sentences that have at least 2 words. So in all, you're gonna use at least 4 words. 2 sentences and 2 words in each sentence, okay? And then I also have, there's a YouTube video for you to watch about how some kids make sentences with the AIC word family. That's a good one. Then I want you to go to the to your skinny math book, and I want you to do pages 636, 636. This one, I did not really like the first page. This one, I didn't want you to do that one, but I want you to skip to this page. And this one says, color the shapes that have 3 sides and 3 vertices, and it tells you what color. Blue. Color the shapes that have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Red. Now you gotta think. Which ones have 4 sides and 4 vertices? Is it a triangle that has 4 sides and 4 vertices? Is it the circle that has 4 sides and 4 vertices? Is it the square? Does the square have 4 sides and 4 vertices? Does the rectangle have 4 sides and 4 vertices? Are there more than one shape that has 4 sides and 4 vertices? You got to think about it. All right. And then it says, color the shapes that have 0 sides and 0 vertices, green. And then on this one, it's very similar too. Color the shapes that are round, purple. Number 5, color the shapes that have 3 sides and 3 vertices, red. And color the shapes that have 4 sides and 4 vertices, orange. Okay, so you'll do those pages, and then in this one, color their squares red, color the triangles yellow, the rectangles green, and the circles blue. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. At 11 o'clock today, there was going to be a Zoom, and I'm going to want for you to have your whiteboard with you so that we can work on things together, and it's going to be a mystery number, okay? Kind of like number talk. All right. And then I want you to do Lexia for 15 minutes and ST math for 15 minutes. And don't forget your PE dance lesson. PE dance. All right? All right, guys, I'll see you again tomorrow. I miss you very much, okay? Big hugs. Bye.